Today I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with data that needs to be presented in a specific way, whether for reports, analysis, or simply to match your regional preferences. First, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your workspace. After signing in, you'll be directed to your workspace dashboard where all your documents are stored. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet document that contains the data you want to edit. This will open up your Google Sheets file in a new window, ready for you to make your formatting changes. Now comes the important part. You need to highlight the cells containing the data you want to convert into date format. Click and drag your cursor over these cells to select them. With your data selected, look up at the top menu bar and click on Format. This will open a drop-down menu with various formatting options. From this menu, hover over Number, which will expand to show you additional choices. Click on Date from this submenu. Your selected data will now automatically change to the default date format that Google Sheets uses. This is typically a standard format, but it might not be exactly what you're looking for, especially if you need a specific presentation style. To customize your date format further, click on Format again at the top menu. Once more, hover over Number to expand the options, but this time select Custom Date and Time. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for how your dates appear. In the Custom Date and Time window, you'll see various format options that allow you to select exactly how you want your dates displayed. You can choose different arrangements of day, month, and year, include or exclude times, and even select different separators between elements. Take your time here to explore the options and find the format that best suits your data and your needs. Once you've finished selecting and editing your preferred customization for the date format, click Apply. This will implement your chosen format across all the cells you initially selected. And there you have it, your dates are now formatted exactly how you need them to be in your Google Sheets document. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.